Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Irfan. Name 20 30 10 10 16. In this video, I will explain how to make an instant noodle. Ingredients: you need a instant noodle. Next, a spoon. Next, this, and 1 glass of water, and egg, and girdle. Okay, next to step. First, turn on the stove. Next, and then put the girdle on the step. And 1 glass of water. Next, boil boiling water. White boiling water. After that, put the egg. Open water. No. After the water is boiling, put instant noodle. To the girdle. While boiling noodle, stir until blank. And then prepare dishes over place. And pour water into the dish noodle. After that, instant noodle ready to eat.